How to find user ID in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to find your user ID in Zooba, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the Zooba game on your device, and once you're inside the main lobby page, tap on your profile button at the top center. Once you're inside this profile section, you will see your name and then your user ID displayed at the top. You can write down your user ID in a piece of a paper, or if you want to copy it, get back and tap on the gear icon at the top right from the lobby page, and you'll see your user ID at the bottom right. Just tap on it to copy your user ID on your device's clipboard. You may need your user ID whenever you want to contact the support section of Zooba, and you might also want to keep it safe for account recovery. Your Zooba user ID is a unique identifier for your account, and you can usually find it in your profile or settings. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.